Hey guys, what's up? It's Zach from Creative Rocket Ship, and in this video, I'm going to explain the process we use to generate real results for home service businesses using Facebook and Instagram ads. This process has produced profitable campaigns for all sorts of different clients. Air duct cleaning companies, carpet cleaning companies, power washing companies, HVAC companies, roofers, tree removal companies, and more. The first step to creating an effective campaign is to select the right audience. We'll talk to you and discuss who your target market is, where your service area is, and who will be most likely to utilize your service. Okay, so step 2 is ad creative. Now that we've selected the target market that we want to talk to, it's time to create the actual ad. We make it easy by writing the ad and providing you with images and videos, so all you have to do is approve them to go live. Step 3 is the automated text and email follow-up. Once someone enters their information into our Facebook ad, we don't want to collect it and then just let that information go. We want to put it into a database and start sending them more emails so that they remember our brand by seeing it 4 or 5 times. Studies have shown that until a person sees your brand 3 to 5 times, they don't really cement your brand in their head. So when someone submits their information, we always make sure to follow up with them with a 5-step drip email campaign, as well as a text campaign if our clients are interested. Step 4 are the automated email and text notifications for your team. So in addition to the automated text and email follow-up that we're sending to the customer, your team will receive instant notifications so that they can follow up with the lead as soon as it comes in. Step 5 is the result tracking and testing. Now, we have proven ads that we know will be working to start in all of these categories. However, we always like to test fresh creative and new audiences to see if we can improve those results. So as we go, you'll always have constant access to look at the results and see what your return on investment is while you're running these ads. If you'd like to set up a proven marketing system like this for your business, schedule a free one-on-one strategy call at creativerocketship.com. For only $500, we'll build your Facebook ads, create the custom audiences that you need to target, set up a 5-step drip email follow-up campaign, set up email and text notifications to your team so you can follow up with the leads immediately, and provide you the results so you can see the return on your marketing investment. I look forward to speaking with you and helping you improve your Facebook ad results.